I'm Ajay Puri. I'm the president at Arthasans Capital Market. We are category 1 merchant banker registered with SEBI. We are managing this issue of Midfield Industries Limited. We are the sole BRLM for this particular company, which is based out of Hyderabad. The company is into steel strapping and operations contract. They're opening the issue on the July 19th through to 21st. It's an issue of 45 equity shares at a price band of 126 to 133. The company is into basically steel strapping and industrial consumables. Is a more wide range of products they're manufacturing based, and they're basically catering to all the industries which are the key backbone of the growth pedestal of Indian economy. Like typically, if you look sectors like steel, aluminium, glass, refractories, they are sole suppliers to that. In the last couple of years, the company has moved on up the value chain, wherein they're trying to do an operations contract, which is, if you understand that, with the advent of the globalization, the company has, wherein there is, the companies are trying to focus highly on the activities which are the core activities and try to leave the non-core activities out. Typically, the steel company looks packaging as not being their core competence area. So they are looking at opportunities where they can outsource it to people who can do it the best. And survival of the fittest is what the key is in this particular economy, the way we're moving into the globalization. We see it as a good value business for the company. It gives them a lot of visibility. It gives them a lot of surety of business going forward. Margins looks much better than what it were earlier. And the company could do much better going forward. That's what expectation, and we hope that Hyderabad public would definitely support the company in its endeavor, and we hope the company should do well going forward.